How to draw a giraffe step by step. Grab your pencil and follow along. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth. Although a giraffe's neck is 1.5 to 1.8 meters, it contains the same number of vertebrae as a human neck. They have more than one stomach. In fact, giraffes have 4 stomachs, the extra stomachs assisting with digesting food. Giraffe tongues are huge. They're bluish-purple and between 45 and 50 centimeters long. Giraffes usually walk at a slow, relaxed pace at the speeds up to 10 miles per hour. Giraffes can be uniquely recognized from their skin patterns. They do not sleep for more than 30 minutes a day. For more drawing factory tutorials, like and subscribe.